Welcome to I Dare You. Transform Your Money Mindset, presented by Mindset Maven. Have you ever considered that your money habits might be reflections of your identity, not just your income? Let's explore this intriguing concept together. Our identity, not our income, dictates our reality. Neuroscience reveals that habits rooted in identity lead to stronger, lasting neural changes. Romans chapter 12 verse 2 encourages us to be transformed by the renewing of your mind. As you shift your identity, your habits naturally follow suit. To transform your financial reality, you must first look within. Ask yourself, who am I when no one is watching my financial decisions? Do I see myself as a steward, investor, builder, or survivor? How does my money behavior reflect my internal story about worth? When your internal identity shifts, your external reality follows. The ultimate mindset shift involves moving from, I just need to earn more, to, I need to become more. The money you manage will never exceed the mindset you carry. Embrace this shift to unlock your true potential. Today, let's focus on transforming your identity. Reflect on shifting from a consumer to an investor, from an avoider to an allocator, and from uncertain to unapologetic. Embrace the mantra, I embody wealth, wisdom, and worthiness, and watch your financial stewardship evolve. Join the transformation and declare, I am a steward of wealth. Subscribe to the 108-day transformation and support the mission. Together, let's embark on this journey towards financial empowerment and identity transformation.